You've decided to attend Mount Royal University. It's an exciting time, but there are lots of new terms and definitions to wrap your head around. This video will help you to understand some of the new terms and concepts that you may encounter when speaking with professors, classmates, or advisors. A program is an approved group of related courses leading to a baccalaureate degree, diploma, or certificate. Some examples include Bachelor of Nursing, Bachelor of Science, or a Bachelor of Arts. It's okay if you want to change your program, but if you do, you'll have to go through the admissions process again. An advisor like me can help you with that process. Students who are in academic upgrading, open studies, or university entrance option also need to apply to change their program. A bachelor's degree, sometimes called an undergraduate degree, is what you earn at the end of your studies. This usually takes around 4 years. Since MRU only offers undergraduate programs, you would need to apply to another university to continue with a master's or graduate program. In order to finish your degree, you'll need to register for classes. Courses are the individual classes that make up your program. Think of these as the building blocks of your degree. There are 3 types of courses: major or core classes, general education classes, and elective classes. Your major is the academic discipline that is the focus of your degree. For example, some majors within the Bachelor of Business Administration includes finance, human resources, or accounting. A major is a prescribed set of courses and is the bulk of your degree. General education, or gned, is designed to provide students with a breadth of knowledge outside of their major discipline. You'll have some ability to choose which classes make up your gned requirement. Electives are courses that you select based on your personal interests. You can choose whatever you want in order to fulfill your elective requirements. Most programs will have you take classes of each type. Your academic advisor can help you to understand which types of classes to take. In order to enroll in courses, you'll need to register for them. During registration, you may come across several options of the same course. Each of these options is called a section. Each section may be held on a different day of the week or a different time or have a different professor. However, the course name, title, and the learning outcomes will all be the same. A course may also have different delivery methods. The most common delivery method is called a lecture. This is where a professor will deliver course content in a classroom setting. Some courses may need an additional component or components called tutorials or labs. A lab is hands-on learning that allows you to apply the material you learn in a practical manner. Working in a recording studio or a laboratory conducting experiments are 2 great examples. Tutorials and labs are not optional. You must complete them in order to finish your course successfully. A semester or term is the measure of time in which students complete courses. At MRU, we have 4 semesters: fall, winter, spring, and summer. Most students take classes only in the fall and winter semesters. The suggested maximum number of courses a student can take in a fall or winter semester is 5. You can ask your advisor if they suggest spring or summer courses. One of the first things that you will receive when you begin your course is a course outline or syllabus. This document includes important course information for the semester, including key dates, mark allocation, as well as texts and technology used in the classroom. As you move through the semester, you will earn grades by completing midterms, assignments, presentations, or team projects. Final exams take place at the end of the semester. You must be available during the entire exam period, including Saturdays. So, make sure you plan any vacations for after the exam period. GPA stands for grade point average. At the end of the semester, you will be awarded a letter grade. Each letter grade is associated with a number on the 4.0 GPA scale. You can find MRU's grading scale in every course outline or on the academic calendar. You require a cumulative GPA of 2.0 to remain in good standing. If you do not maintain a cumulative GPA of 2.0, you might be placed on academic warning. The academic calendar is your comprehensive guide to all the policies, course requirements, degrees, services, rules, and regulations at Mount Royal University. You can find it online in a searchable format. Academic advisors are experts in reading, interpreting, and explaining the information contained within it. Credit weight reflects student workload as opposed to classroom contact hours. Normally, students are expected to devote 9 to 12 hours of academic time and effort per week for a 3-credit course. In total, you'll need 120 credits in order to graduate with a degree, but that's spread out across the time it takes you to finish all of your courses. Many students rely on external sources for funding that require you to be a full-time student. These sources include things like Alberta student loans, RESPs, scholarships, bursaries, or band funding. Full-time status is also needed to access health and dental benefits or to play on an MRU sports team. Full-time status is usually defined as having 9 credit hours per semester, and this typically amounts to 3 university classes. It's worth noting that if you're planning to do upgrading classes at Mount Royal, that these classes don't have any credit value and so cannot normally be used to fulfill full-time requirements. So that's just a quick introduction to university terms and concepts, but there's a lot more out there, so don't be afraid to ask an advisor for help. See you soon!